Hey there. Let me ask you something. How often do you find yourself vacuuming or mopping your floors? If you're like most of us, it's probably way more than you'd like. But what if I told you there's a robot vacuum that not only cleans your floors, but does it better than most vacuums out there? Meet the Yeedi C12 Plus robot vacuum and mop, a cleaning powerhouse that's here to make your life so much easier. Let me tell you why this little gadget is a must-have. First off, this thing is a beast when it comes to suction power. With 8,000 PA of suction, it can pick up everything from tiny dust particles to larger debris like cereal crumbs or pet food. And it doesn't matter if you have hardwood floors, carpets, or rugs. This vacuum adjusts automatically to give you the deepest clean possible. Plus, it's got a ZeroTangle anti-tangle technology that prevents hair from getting stuck in the brush. If you've got pets or long hair, you know how big of a deal that is. Now, here's where it gets even cooler. The Yeedi C12 Plus uses PureCyclone Technology, which automatically collects dust in just 10 seconds. And the best part? It's bagless. That means no more buying disposable dust bags. Just empty the reusable dustbin and you're good to go. It's eco-friendly, cost-effective, and can store up to 7 weeks of dust before you need to empty it. How's that for convenience? But wait, there's more. This robot vacuum is smart. It uses TrueMapping technology to create an accurate map of your home in just 8 minutes. It scans your space with 360-degree laser ranging, so it knows exactly where to clean and where to avoid. You can even set up no-go zones or customize cleaning schedules through the app. Speaking of the app, it lets you control everything, from suction power to water flow for mopping. You can even create personalized cleaning modes to suit your home's needs. Oh, and did I mention it mops too? The Osmo mopping system ensures your hard floors get a sparkling clean, while the vacuum takes care of the carpets. It's like having 2 cleaning tools in one. Plus, with a 5200 mAh battery, it can run for up to 300 minutes on a single charge. That's enough to clean even the biggest homes without breaking a sweat. So, if you're tired of spending hours cleaning or dealing with clunky, outdated vacuums, the Yeedi C12 Plus robot vacuum and mop is here to save the day. It's powerful, smart, and designed to make your life easier. I'll leave the link in the description below so you can check it out for yourself. Trust me, your floors and your free time will thank you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome product recommendations. See you in the next video.